small things like you will see today. Not a small things. These are very important things. Okay. Don't think it is very small things. Okay. It is very important things. So first one is default application. What is default application? So this is a notepad. If I open the notepad thing, I can see there is a certain data in it, right? I can read the file. I can read the file. What is the content of the file? Or maybe if how I can able to read it? It open with a notepad. It is open with a notepad by default. By default. For example, I right click. I said open with a WordPad. So it will open with a WordPad like that. If I try to open with some different thing, like open with a PDF, okay, open with certain things like a PDF or Word or a MS Word or MS Excel, it may not be open. So application and document like that. So that should be a link. Okay, there should be a readable kind of stuff. Okay, so whenever you open certain document like a this is PPX, I double click on it and it is asking how do you want to open. Okay, do you want to open with a default host application, Internet Explorer, Notepad, Paint, Media Player, like that? Because PPTX, it means default application is, what is a PPTX application? Which application opens PPTX?
PowerPoint.
Very good, very good. I know you know, that's why I'm asking question. Okay, PowerPoint presentation, MS PowerPoint presentations, or MS slides, or slides kind of stuff. Okay, so the applications like a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation will open this PPT or PPTX, but I don't have that application in my PC, so I can't able to read it. Right, guys, understand this point? 2 points. You can open with a application, either notepad or wordpad, because of it is already there and it can able to open. That's a very simple thing. I can't able to open this PPTX. Why? Because of the relevant application is not there. Okay, next. Sometimes we have a multiple things. See, it is yeah, that's why I didn't open this one. Wait, I have a two applications are there. One is MS Office with MS PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Excel is there, and another one is WPS. So you can see this is WPS application. So if I right click on this one, go to properties, it's showing see WPS Office. So using this Office also I can able to open this particular file. Using this Office I can open the file and it is showing open with WPS Office. If I double click on it, if I double click on this application, automatically it opens with a WPS Office only, not a Microsoft PowerPoint. Is it opening or not opening? Because by default, the thing is changed to Microsoft. No. WPS Office. It is trying to open with a Microsoft Office. Of course, it is asking me for a sign in, temporary sign in kind of stuff. I don't want to do it. Okay. So agree and continue kind of stuff. It is showing like this, agree and continue. I am keep putting exit. So if you don't have Microsoft Office or your Microsoft Office is not working or maybe not licensed, not you don't have any key kind of stuff nowadays, right? You are unable to install it. What to do? So you can use like this WPS kind of stuff. Okay, it is not a preferred one, but it is okay. You can use it. Sometimes it will ask for a sign in and all. That is a problem. Okay. So of course, earlier days I don't have a Microsoft Office. Now I have a Office 365. So instead of double click and open with the WPS Office, I can open with a then go to open with PowerPoint. Open with the PowerPoint. So I can open the application like this also. Now it is opening with my Microsoft Office 365 PowerPoint. Guys, every time I have to open with right click, open with, and select which application I want to open. Every time I have to do it. So instead of that one, I want to open this kind of files always with a PowerPoint. So then I'm going to open with WPS Office. It's showing. I'm going to change. Click on change. Select PowerPoint. Select a PowerPoint. Then click OK. See, it is changed to PowerPoint. It is changed to PowerPoint. Apply. Okay. So now it is showing like this. Okay. Same goes for a different type of applications also. Okay, different type of applications. So different type of files, different type of extensions. What is your default application? You can change it by right click, go to properties, right click, go to properties, open with, go to change, select your appropriate application. Apply OK. So then you can able to do it. So I'm opening my Windows 10 PPTs directly. Yeah, this is a SARS one. What is Windows 10 now? I think I forward this PPT to you. Okay, go through once the PPT. So SAR value is doing practical. You'll screenshot and put it. Very good theoretical part, including some practical parts. Okay, so this is also very good. So go through once. Okay, so it is already there. So then you can easily. I think I shared that one. So this is 13, right? Yeah, morning. Yeah, this is the one only. Morning I shared this one. So compulsory guys, go through this PPT. My PPTs are Microsoft PPTs. Okay, so that is we'll combine. We created a few things combining. So guys, understood what is the default applications? Default application. That is the first one. The second one is second one is how to manage the services, how to manage the startups. Both the things we'll see. How to manage services and how to manage the startups. Just I put a side a message, right? So what is the service? Oh, so what we discussed here, default application. It does not mean applications built in your PCs. It may be built-in applications or may not be built-in applications. Okay, so we can how to change open with application. Okay, open with application kind of stuff. So we'll look at here. So how to do it? So on a file, right click, RAG, right click, properties, go to properties. So there you can find open with, go to change button. So select your application. Then apply. Okay. Okay, so this is how to change the default application thing. So we done it for a PPT kind of stuff. So next one is service management. As service meaning is when you have a system, and you have applications. Okay, so there is a system based services, user based services means particular application link services are there, system functioning services also there. Okay, so whatever it is, it's a service. Okay, certain services if runs, then only certain things will run. For example, I'm getting display, screen getting display, audio is working, video is working, speakers are working, mic is working. Okay, audio function is there, display is working, or maybe I've opened a, what is this, VMware workstation is working. Meaning is the corresponding services in the PC is running. Corresponding services are running. Okay, services control function of a application. Okay. Services control function. Something is missing in function. Is it correct one? Okay, function of an application. Okay, next. And also startup applications. What is a startup application? So what is startup application and all we'll see once. Okay, so look at here it is, guys. So first of all we should open services. So go to services.msc. So go to run, type services.msc. S is capital or a small letter or a totally small letters or all are capital letters? No problem. Why? Because of Windows is not case sensitive. Services.msc to open the service console like this. So I'm putting in a full screen mode, so you can see standard or extended, whatever it is. Each service, if you click on these services, you can see the description. Description will tell you what is the type of service it is. It will tell you what is the type of service. You can see BitLocker drive encryption. This service for a BitLocker purpose. Okay, maintaining BitLocker related things. Application identity, app locker purpose. Bluetooth audio gateway. Okay, so it controls both application and hardware. Hardware too. Hardware related drivers. Hardware means hardware drivers. Also it controls. So like this. Okay guys. Here I am going to show you, this is the application identity, whatever the application it is. What is the status? Not running. And startup type manual. If you see here, it is application information running manual. Application management running manual. BitLocker drive encryption not running manual. Base filter engine running automatic. Background task infrastructure something it is service application automatic. Like this, some services are running, some are not running, some are in manual, some are in automatic. So what is this automatic, what is this manual? We'll see this one. So I select a application identity, open the application identity. If you see, startup types are manual, automatic, disabled. Okay, delayed start is second. Okay, so we'll see. So here it is, startup types. What are the startup types? Automatic, manual, disable, automatic. Delayed start is also there. Guys, startup type is automatic. Automatic meaning is when system turn on. Exactly say when user is login. Turn on or user logins. Okay. Automatically service starts. Service starts automatically when system is turned on, means system is booted or user is login. Turn on means system is booted. Actually say like a system is booted. Manually it means service start by open related application or by time or by user. Okay, so either you manually start the application or by certain time triggers. So application starts by opening related application. Disable service never starts in this mode. Okay, service never starts. Understand guys, what are the startup types? Okay, if you put automatic and started, apply OK. So even I restart my computer, automatically services start in the next boot also. Now it is started, next time also it is. For example, I put a apply. Why it is denied? It is running, but apply is not running. See, it is manual and running. So automatic running is not working. Okay, it is running. So service status is running. Okay. So for example, you don't want this service.
We need to
Okay, that's
stop
what.
the running process.
Yeah, we can stop it.
We
I'll show
can
you that.
start. We can stop and we can start again, sir.
Yeah, we can do it.
Since
Stop
it
it.
is showing access denied, no, sir.
Because of some apply kind of stuff. But we can stop and start the services. Okay. See, it is service is not running and it is showing manual. Now I'm putting like this and change my manual to automatic. Okay, then only it is showing access is denied. Why? Because maybe no problem. It is I'm a student one only. Maybe this particular service is local service. No. Don't touch all these things. Okay, so we'll see. I will show you another one also. But understand, automatic means even though your service is stopped condition, service is stopped. I put automatic means service is currently not running, but it is an automatic. If in case it is automatic, but service is not currently running, I put apply OK. Then I do my work and I shut down my computer. When I start my computer, automatic means automatically when computer is started, booted, user is login, the services automatically starts. Service starts with a system starts type. Okay, whenever the system is started, once it is booted, so automatically these services loads. Okay, already I told in a boot processing, right? So services will load once system is booted automatically. Service load in automatic mode. Okay. Next, manual mode. Manual mode, either you start the service manually or maybe the relevant applications like so you can see BitLocker drive encryption. It is a manual one. I didn't do any BitLocker thing now, so it is not running. If I do any BitLocker related things, then it is automatically start running. Okay. So when I open any BitLocker related application or options or management kind of stuff, so automatically it will go to running mode. Okay. So like this is manual and it is stopped. But if I open this BitLocker related options in my PC, automatically it will start running. So that is the relevant application or manually you start the services are time triggers. So guys, look at here. So I'm going to Windows Update. Windows Update. See, Windows time, Windows Update like this. So this is Windows Update showing in a manual and it is stopped. But internally in our PC inside update and security, there is a timeline is there. Time means every day 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock check updates. Or whenever the system is started, check for updates. Whenever evening 9 o'clock, check for update. Like internally there is a triggering kind of stuff is there. When it triggers, check for updates, then automatically it starts. Okay, it triggers by certain things like that is manual one. And what is disabled? Okay, it is already stopped. What is disabled? Disable means, so make sure you should stop the service and keep the disabled. So your service is not started by manually or automatically or by application or by anything. Okay, it is not showing that error. See, start is disabled, stop is disabled, pause is disabled, resume is disabled. Okay, obviously Windows Update is disabled. So why I disable the Windows Update? Of course, I will get a problem. but usually earlier I use this thing for stop updating. Okay, usually start updating because updates will slow down your PC because we are doing in a practical mode, right? So we are using a evolution mode, practical modes only. So these update and security, even if I open, it won't work. Okay, it is already checked today for updates. Okay, so I stop for updates. If I don't do it, it will check it. You see, change active hours like a morning 8 to 5 o'clock. Okay, like so it will keep updates. That's the problem. Okay, I manually disabled it. So what is the disable? It never updates. Again, see, automatic means automatically service will start when system is started. Manually means either if you open related application or a service or by time or by means time triggers or maybe a user manually open the manually start the service. Disabled means service never start by user or by application or by time or automatically also starts. Next one is status. Status is showing running. It means it is started. Okay. Running means service is started. Status showing stopped. It means stop. It is stop. Okay. Both are like running means started, start means like that. So other things of status is there like a resume, pause. What is resume and pause? You can resume the service. Okay, you can resume the service and you can pause the services also. Like you pause the service, you can resume it. You pause the service, you resume it like that. Okay, so sometimes there is a particular certain services, not all services don't have this option. Okay, so certain services are running. It is you don't want now. Currently, that services you don't want to run. Instead of stopping, you can pause it. Okay, now work is completed. Then now you want to continue this running. So then resume it. Then if you put a resume, automatically it is in a running mode. Running means it is started. If you press the start, it will go to running. So whatever it is. This is it, guys. What is how to go to service management? So simply go to run services.msc. There are a lot of options to go to services thing, including task manager. Startup types are automatic, manual, disable. Delayed start, triggered. These are a different plus option kind of stuff, but it is basic options are three things. Automatic means when your system starts, service starts. Okay. Manual means either service will be started by either by a related application or a service or by time or by maybe some triggering to the services. Okay, or by user manually. Disabled never starts. I disabled Windows update.
Sir, is there tomorrow class or not?
Tomorrow class is there. And who is asking?
I am asking, sir.
Yeah, Jishan, class is there. You are a batch 13. Service desk people, that is completely your wish to join or not. Okay. So because I already told you how to install Windows 10 and basics of operating system and very basics now we are covering. Okay. So tomorrow class is there. If you complete like earlier, it is better for you. Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
for service desk, we will join or not? Only for non-service desk?
It is very important for non-service desk people. If you want to join, you can join. No problem for me. Okay. So no,
Okay,
service
sir.
desk people,
Sir, how,
it is
how many
optional for
classes
tomorrow class.
services?
But it is okay. What sir it is? So now service desk people, it is completely optional, guys. And second, if you want, you can watch that videos if you are unable to come. Okay. But tomorrow class is there. Morning session or afternoon sessions, we'll see that one. I want to conduct a full sessions because we don't have a particular time. Time is not existing, not adjusting. Okay. If you delay, if we delay, then it is very big one. So guys, that is about your service management. If you have any work, important work, guys, I'm not telling anything, but compulsory, you have to complete the practicals. That's important. I'm not giving any options there. Tomorrow class is there mainly for non-service desk people. Service desk people, it's completely up to you. You want to join, not join, kind of stuff.
Sir, how many
Sir,
classes
full
do
day
you
or
have,
half
sir?
day?
Service desk people.
Actually, I can't able to regulate your syllabus into my syllabus. So once check with your sir and 1 second. First of all, to stop the recording.